My name is Jeff. So I'm gonna do like this little thing. It's not like 1 or 2 little 1-minute vlogs, 2-minute to like 2-second vlogs. Doing that. Why did I say 2 seconds? Makes no sense. Seconds of video open over right now. Like a short little like clip or something like that. I don't know. But right now we're gonna be talking about, I don't know why you don't look at the camera. But if your Nintendo Switch, which I do have one, I'm not that poor, stops working and like you go to sleep with it on and stuff, and you think like the next morning you go turn it on, it doesn't turn on, it overheated, and you don't have to really do anything. Like go and you cool it down, and the battery actually died. I'll cover the doors in the back. Wrong curtain. Oh, actually the right curtain. I was just like confusing. I thought that because I'm just like, I thought this one right here was that curtain. You should see my bed like from this angle. Alright, that's off topic. Go on TV in the background. Alright, so if you're Nintendo Switch, most you probably already know this. Some don't. So you don't have to really spend any money. Just lay relax. Like a day. Go out. Go to a park or something. Go and relax. Watch Robot Chicken. Don't copyright me. I'm just giving an example. So, like, subscribe, and tell me if this helped you. Peace. Peace. Oh, wow.